Imagine the universe, vast and complex. Now, imagine wanting information from a specific galaxy. You wouldn't download the entire universe, would you? That's where APIs come in. They are like cosmic messengers, allowing applications to talk to each other and exchange information. Need the latest stock prices? There's an API for that. Want to integrate social media feeds? API to the rescue. APIs are the unsung heroes of our interconnected world. They power everything from mobile apps to complex web services. They allow developers to access data and functionality from other applications, making it possible to build new and innovative products and services. But how do these cosmic messengers actually work? Let's delve into the world of REST APIs, the long-standing workhorses of the web. REST, or Representational State Transfer, is the standard for building APIs. Imagine a well-organized library. Each book has a specific location. REST APIs work similarly. Resources are accessed through unique URLs called endpoints. Want to retrieve users? Send a request to the user's endpoint. REST APIs use standard HTTP methods: GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. E-commerce websites use REST APIs to browse products, manage carts, and process orders. Imagine a vast cosmic library. A librarian fetches exactly what you need. That's GraphQL, a query language for APIs. No more overfetching. Describe the data you need, and the server responds. A single query retrieves all necessary data. It reduces data transfer and improves performance. So, which approach reigns supreme? Like stars in the cosmos, both GraphQL and REST have their own strengths and weaknesses. REST excels in its simplicity and widespread adoption. It's like a trusty telescope, familiar and reliable. GraphQL, on the other hand, shines in its flexibility and efficiency, like a powerful space probe, capable of exploring the unknown. REST's endpoint-based approach can be limiting when dealing with complex data requirements. Multiple requests can lead to overfetching and performance bottlenecks. GraphQL's query language addresses these limitations by allowing clients to specify their data needs precisely. However, GraphQL's flexibility comes at a cost. It requires a more complex server-side implementation and can be overkill for simple applications. The choice between GraphQL and REST depends on the specific needs of your project. For simple applications with well-defined data requirements, REST remains a solid choice. It's like using a star chart to navigate familiar constellations. For complex applications with evolving data needs, GraphQL offers greater flexibility and efficiency. It's like using a state-of-the-art navigation system to explore uncharted territories. Consider the following factors: data complexity. How complex are your data requirements? Performance. How important is it to minimize data transfer and optimize performance? Scalability. How well will the API scale as your application grows? Development resources. Do you have the expertise to implement and maintain a GraphQL server? Ultimately, the best approach is the one that best meets the specific needs of your project. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Catch you in the next video.